this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Awesome. We really appreciate you watching our videos.
Did that work? No? Well, brands are hoping it does. Over the past few years, companies have begun using ASMR to market their products.
Let's all experience something.
So, is this just the latest trend, or is there more? And is it even ethical? ASMR stands for Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response. It causes a brain reaction that creates a tingling sensation from listening to soft sounds or touching objects with different textures, or the way you feel when you're watching Bob Ross.
Evergreens are normally darker than other trees, so don't kill all the dark area in your evergreen.
ASMR-type videos can be traced back to YouTube's early days. But in 2010, a cybersecurity expert named Jennifer Allen coined a term, and it started to become a cultural phenomenon. Today, if you type in ASMR on YouTube's search bar, you'll get over 43 million results. Its growth and popularity has sparked interest from brands that like the appeal. This oddly satisfying social cultural phenomenon has become a new way for influencers to make a living, and big brands are tapping in.
Gently pulling off the paper cups.
But brands want to do more than just sponsor these influencers. Many brands pay ASMR artists to review their product, or simply use their product as a prop.
It really is the ideal machine for any fitness enthusiast.
But it wasn't until 2016 that brands got directly involved. This is Ikea's series called Oddly Ikea. They created 6 ASMR-style videos, including one long form that ran 25 minutes. It featured back-to-school items for college dorms. The video not only went viral, but led to a 4.5% increase in sales in stores and a 5.1% increase in sales online. Other brands followed. Brands are always looking to connect with the consumers. ASMR allows them to connect more intimately. In theory, this makes viewers feel more trusting, which ideally for brands leads to sales. But is this okay? The soft tones, low voices, whispers. All of this can aim to induce physical reactions in viewers. Think tingles. Although there has not been much research on the effects of ASMR, a study by the University of Sheffield concluded that it does have a positive physiological effect, like lower heart rate and decreased levels of stress. So are brands taking advantage of these reactions? Well, this is all legal in the US. But if you really think about it, it's not much different from the way brands have been using sensory tactics for decades. But in 2018, the Chinese government banned ASMR from all major streaming platforms. The government was suspicious of its physiological effects and labeled it as pornographic material. For now, it's still a niche that needs more exploration. But so far, it's showing a lot of potential in the marketing world. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time we post a new video. See you next time.